I am Dr. Professor Raviraj, Senior Orthopedic Surgeon and Consultant at Apollo Hospital, Bannerghatta Road. I specialize in joint replacement surgery, arthroscopic surgery of the knee and shoulder, and complex trauma. With the experience of about 22 years in the professional career, I have spent the last 13 years at Apollo with the specialization in joint replacement surgery. We conduct a large number of knee and hip replacement for patients suffering with arthritis of the hip and knee. In the last 2 decades, we have seen the joint replacement evolving from the conventional surgeries to now utilization of cutting edge technology like artificial intelligence and robotics in the management of arthritis pain for joint replacement surgeries. Now today I will focus on our discussion is on the joint replacement surgery using a robotic technology. Robotic technology is the latest technology where we use the technology for aligning the implants perfectly. The use of robotic technology helps us to do a preoperative planning using the CT scan of a patient. A personalized planning for a particular patient we can do even before going into the operation theater. The CT scan data will be fed to the robo, and this is cross-checked again on the table with the data that we gain from during the surgery. Once these data are matched, the robo will help us to do precise bone cuts. The precise bone cuts will help us in aligning the implants perfectly, and we can have a real-time check of the alignment and the ligament balancing on the table. The precise implant positioning, alignment, and the soft tissue balancing is crucial for the outcome of a knee replacement surgery, and it will have a bearing on the longevity of the prosthesis and clinical outcome for the patient. So apart from these advantages, we also have the advantage of minimal soft tissue dissection, less blood loss, and early recovery from the surgery because of reduced pain. And because of the reduced pain, we can mobilize these patients on the same day, and the post-operative rehabilitation is much quicker, and discharge from the hospital is also faster than the conventional knee replacement. In conventional knee replacement, we use jigs to align the implants, so the robotic system is much more accurate, less soft tissue dissection, and less blood loss, and early discharge from the hospital. With these benefits of cutting edge technology like robotic surgery, we are able to give excellent clinical outcome for our patients with arthritis of the knee who are undergoing knee replacement surgery. At Apollo Bannerghatta Road, we are striving to give clinical excellence to our patients, and excellent clinical outcomes are our main focus during the surgery. Thank you.